Cornrow friends, welcome back to Wally's World. My name's Lindsay Wallace, and today I'm hitting you with another low manipulation protective style for those of you in the military or in any career field that requires you to put your hair up. Today, we're doing cornrows. So prior to starting this video, I had already washed my hair, moisturized my hair, and blew out my hair. To moisturize my hair, I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In with Mephora and Baobab oils. I also used Shea Moisture's Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration 100% extra virgin coconut oil. So the products I'm going to be using today are Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Max Hold Gel with shea butter and peppermint. I'm also going to be using Dew Grow Hair Vitalizer Triple Strength for severely damaged hair. Promotes strong, healthy hair growth. And for my edges, I'm going to be using Curl's Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Paste. And for my scalp, I'm going to be using rosemary oil and peppermint oil. So going right into it, what I'm going to do first is pull all my hair up and just leave one section of hair out, which we're going to start braiding. So I'm using a rat tail comb to section off my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is get a little bit of gel and apply it right here at my hairline, and then on the bottom going up from my hairline. Now that I have the gel applied to my roots, I'm going to use my bristle brush to brush everything through and smooth my hair out. So next I'm going to grab a little bit of the grease. I don't run it through my hair because I don't want my hair to be super greasy. Instead, I put it on my fingertips so that it helps grip my hair as I braid. So I'm just going to grab a little piece from right here, and I'm just going to start braiding. So for the end, like I've said in a previous video, I don't use rubber bands in my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a little bit of gel and I'm going to coat the end of my hair with it. I'm going to take my rat tooth comb and I'm going to comb it through, just so that instead of my ends all being like separate pieces, they comb together into one. And then I'm going to go ahead and re-twist it. And there you have it. This is the first braid. So I'm going to continue this process throughout my whole head, and I'm going to have the video on fast play as I do it.
Ladies can back it up, 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 back it up. Ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Hold that, hold that. Ladies can back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up, 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 back it up. Ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. Hold that. Listen to the hardcore. Ladies can back it up, back it up, back it up. Ladies can back it up. So
okay y'all, so I finally finished braiding. It took me forever. Before I do my edges, I'm gonna put a little oil on my scalp. Again, I'm using peppermint and rosemary oil. Both rosemary and peppermint oil stimulate hair growth. Peppermint oil soothes your scalp in case the braids are like too tight. But I'm only putting this on my scalp. I'm not putting it throughout my hair. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just do my edges. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab the edge of the toothbrush. I dipped it into the gel into the paste, and I'm just rubbing it onto my edges. My braids are done. So for work, what I normally do is I take everything and I put it into a bun. I also have these little gold clips in case like you were going out or something and you wanted to make it look a little cuter. These are really easy to use. They're just like gold foil clips, and you kind of just open it like that and you put it over your braid wherever you want it, and you just squish it into place. So this is the finished look with all the gold clips in. If you like the way that my hair came out, make sure to like the video, comment, and subscribe. Also make sure to hit the bell so that you can stay notified for all future videos as soon as they post. My name's Lindsay Wallace, this is Wally's World, and I hope you have a fantastic day.